In the dead of night, the whole world sighs, breathing low, under silver skies where memory lies. Waves murmur secrets to the shore. In the hush of evening, I feel you more. Fragile touch that's barely there, a fleeting prayer. Oh no, you are my love, my breath, my dawn, but you only live when the day is gone. In the calm after noise, when silence is strong, our eyes confess what words did wrong. A lonely refrain down an empty street, guitar strings cry in a minor key. Every heartbeat echoes your name, like frozen fire without a flame. In the air, everywhere. Oh, we wander blind through the velvet blue, chasing a sun we never knew. Through shadows deep and skies undone, we hold the dark until it's done. Come what may, come what may. You are my love, my breath, my dawn. You're the dawn, a whispered truth I lean upon. When night surrounds and the world is gone, your light in me keeps burning on. In the calm after noise, silence is strong. Our eyes confess what words did wrong. Always a You are my love, my breath, my dawn. You're the dawn, a whispered truth I lean upon. When night surrounds and the world is gone, your light in me keeps burning on. Night gentle sway, night gentle sway. In the calm after noise, our eyes confess what words did wrong. Always remain, always remain, always remain. Love is a melody, soft and restrained, silent refrain. While the earth keeps turning, we remain.